Dad, what's going on with that bird? That was like, over 2 weeks ago last time I came here, and that bird tried to come for me. And I've come back here and it's back.
RF signal slow. Telemetry lost.
See, right. The bird isn't even here. It just flies out of somewhere and just appears and then just starts going through my quad. I don't even know if I should fly again. Look, there's nothing even here. It just comes for it. It's crazy. Should have done.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning. Low battery.
Just change the model on here. Then you.
Switch warning. Low battery.
I think we're all good to go. 3-minute timer. And that is how you put props on wrong and smash them. Right.
RF signal critical. Telemetry lost.
Let's start again. So I've just put the GoPro on my head and I went for a little flight line of sight after the bird coming after me twice, and there was like bird calls, and then it just flew out, this black bird, and just came out. So I'm just gonna fly line of sight again now and see if it'll come out to play. Well, not come out to play, just so I can get it on video coming. That's not it, that's a different bird. Just reset timer. Oh, airplane. It's not coming. I thought maybe if I hang around where the trees are it might come, but it doesn't seem to be coming. It's not coming. Why you not come, bird? Why you not come?
2.0.
Why you not come? The bird does not want to come. Big loop. The bird doesn't want to come. Can't see. I can't see. Can't see if it's sun. I got my glasses on. I thought maybe if I hang around over there it might come, but it doesn't seem to be. But still, from it. It seems to be coming. Hello. Oh lad, it's a fast drone. Oh, how many flips you doing?
30 seconds.
Fast drone, man. Oh, how many rows?
20 seconds.
Oh.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Timer is up. I'm going to try and go around this tree before. The bird is not coming, but I promise you there was definitely a bird coming out flying. I bet if I go FPV now, yeah, I'm going to try it. I'm going to go FPV now, fly around the trees and see if the bird comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might. I think.
Yeah.
And you said
I
asked you if it was like playing a computer game. You said it is until you crash one, and then you've got to fix it yourself.
Oh yeah, that's it.
I love the noise it makes.
I know, it's loud. I think it's because of the propellers that's on it as well. It's got the lad. The birds are coming. The birds. The birds. The birds don't like the drones. But you know what's going to win, don't you? The drones. It looks so good, you know, having leaves on trees. I've been absolutely sick of just hitting like stupid branches and stuff. But now, everything just looks so much cooler.